Hey everyone, welcome to my another video, and today I'll show you the best class and build to win games in your Elden Ring Nightreign. If you want maximum damage, survivability and consistency, the best class to start with is the Knight. It's balanced, tanky and perfect for both beginners and competitive players. You get great defense, solid HP and strong scaling for melee builds. For your build, go with strength, dex hybrid, focus mainly on strength for damage and add some dexterity for faster attacks and better weapons variety. This gives you power and flexibility. Your main weapon should be a great sword or heavy curved sword. These weapons hit hard, stagger enemies and dominate in both PvE and PvP situations. For stats priority, first level Viager for survivability, second put points into strength, third add endurance for stamina and heavier armor, and then a bit of dexterity for speed and scaling. Use medium to heavy armor so you stay tanky but can still dodge effectively. For skills and ashes, choose one that boosts poise, damage, weapon buffs or fast gap closing. This lets you control fights and finish enemies quickly. So in short, Knight class, strength focused melee build, heavy hitting weapon, high vigor and solid armor. This setup is simple, powerful and one of the most reliable ways in Elden Ring Nightreign. So yes, this was it for the tutorial. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below and thanks for watching.